Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a nice HTML page. So first, let's create a folder. I don't know why because we opened on my phone. Okay, now let's call it HTML. Go here, press view, show, and this box file name extension has to be checkmarked. Okay, now let's create a text document and call it text .html. I don't know why I call this, but like this. But yeah, let's go. Press yes. Go to desktop and place all the images that you want in this folder. Okay, now I open it and okay. Now let's open this file with Chrome and Notepad. So we'll press this, open with, choose another app and choose Notepad. Okay. Now go full this. I'll make it bigger for you to see and press this thing, doc type, HTML. This is gonna tell the browser what version of HTML we are using. Oh, now we're gonna write HTML and slash HTML. These are things that everyone have, every HTML file needs to have. I don't know why, but yeah. Now we're gonna go on the head part. Let's add and title, and let's call it my web page and slash title and slash head. This is not a necessary command. The title part isn't a necessary command, but the head one it is. Now let's go to body and slash body. They are gonna make a web page with a white background, so don't care about making a background right now. So we're gonna do the style for this body because I hate the normal style and I like much more Arial. So we go to the first body, press space, style equals these things, font minus family, two dots, Arial, these things again, and yeah, that was it. Now let's press space, and I like to be on the center part. On default it's gonna be on the left side, but I like it much more on center, so we'll do it center and slash center. You can use this command everywhere for every part. It doesn't need to be at the start, it can be at the end or in everywhere. This is working also for images and text. So now we're gonna, for the text, we're gonna use the hash elements, which are from hash 1 to hash 6. You have to go hash, you can do hash 1, hash 2, hash 3, hash 4, hash 5, and hash 6. And all of these are different sizes for the text. The biggest one is hash 1 and the smallest one is hash 6. For the first part, we're gonna do the hash 1 and call it this is my web page. I hope you will like it. I think it's dot here, I'm not sure. And let's press slash hash 1. Now let's press save and go to our web page and refresh. Do you see how it's looking? We have an Arial font on center and it's a kind of big text. And here up in left, it writes my web page. That was the title part. Okay, so now let's write another thing with a smaller font. Let's go on hash 3. this is a smaller text and slash hash free. Okay, let's save it. Oops. Okay, and this is smaller text. As you can see this, you see it. So for now right now we are gonna paste our first image. Let's do this thing. No. We're gonna do br and right now paste it. Br means a new line. It doesn't need to be between #1 and #3, but otherwise you have to put it to go on the new line. It doesn't read the enter part. So yeah, we're gonna write image src equals now you write the file name. For me is car.jpg, I think. It doesn't, it has to be in these things. And right now let's make it, let's put it like this and we'll modify later. As you can see, right now we got our image is kind of big, so I want to make it smaller. We're gonna go here and how is let me think. Oops. Okay, so it's kind of strange because it doesn't have any additional text. You just go here and write height or width or how you want it equals let's say number 500. This will be 500 pixels. Save and refresh it. And as you can see, it's kind of smaller, and you can also do it bigger. Let's write 1000. Save, and is much bigger, but as you can see, it loses from its quality. Let's go back to 100 and but right here back 500. I think 500 was first time, I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks much better. We got an image, we got some text. Now the only thing that you really need to create a nice web page is a link. So we are gonna do a few BRs because we don't want to make it look bad. It is gonna look bad, but that's it. We can do anything. Now, right, a #ref equals. Now let's go to web page. I'm gonna go to Tesla because that's a Tesla car. Is a Tesla Model X. And press this, and we'll just take this. Control C. Leave our web page. Go here, equals in brackets, I think it's called. Go here, press this, close it, I mean. Now write target equals again these brackets, that slash on down part, blank, and close this and close this. Now press save, and nothing's gonna change because we haven't added anything. So right now we are gonna add an hash to text. Press me to go to Tesla, a Tesla website. Let's call it like this. Okay, now let's push on do and files save, and this. If we're pressing it, we're gonna go on the new site and the exactly link that we wrote there. Here we have our car, blah blah blah, I don't care. And this is our webpage. You don't want to open it in a new page, on a new tab, go here and delete the target blank part. Now let's save it and demonstrate you. Save, and it's gonna open on this. You can do links with the images, but and to close the link, I forgot to show you this. Just go here and write /a. And this is our code. This is what it shows you. You can modify, you can do everything that you want with it. It looks great. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I was the best in us. I'm no longer the best in us. I'm right now. I'm Yanas, and bye.